Today was gonna be the day that they're gonna throw it back to you. By now you should have somehow realized what you're not to do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. So we're gonna move to a different chord right there. We're gonna go to the C add 9. And C add 9 is your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the A, right there. Index finger goes to the 2nd fret of the E. Then you've got an open string, and then you've got your ring finger and your pinky just locked in on the 3rd fret of the bottom 2 strings. Now that's gonna be like really important. Oh, cool, from USA. Nice to meet you, Snakebite. That's gonna be a really important thing, is having your your ring finger and your pinky on these 2 strings at the very bottom, because the whole song kind of revolves around those 2 fingers being anchored right there. Today was gonna be the day that they're gonna throw it back to you. By now you should have somehow realized what you gotta do, because all you're doing is moving from like E to G to D, but you're keeping those fingers in the same spot for this song, and then you go to A. And then here's that C add 9. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. C add 9, D, E7, or E major, or E7, yeah. So that's the verse, and then here's the chorus. The chorus is C add 9, and all the roads, and then here's that D. We have to walk are winding, E7, and all the lights that lead us there are blinding. Same 3 chords, just C add 9, D, and then E7. There are many things that Now here's the cool part of this song. This is going to be a walk down experience where he's walking down from the G chord. And the sequence of chords is going to be G, F sharp over D, which if you can't see that, that's what that chord looks like. It's index finger on the 2nd fret, 3rd finger goes to the 2nd fret of the G, ring fingers on the 3rd fret of the B, right there. This is F sharp over D. There are men, would like to say to you, but I don't know how. So it goes from G to F sharp D to E7 to D. There would like to say to you, but I don't know, and then C add 9 now, and it lingers on this C add 9 chord. Said maybe C add 9 to E7, G. You're gonna be the one that saves me, E7, G. And after all, C add 9, E7, G. You're my Wonderwall. Back to G. So that's it. Those are the chords for Wonderwall. Thank you very much for showing up today. It's time to launch our poll for what song we want to actually learn next. We had